Hello everyone, good afternoon. So my name is Afan Mahur Basit and my partner.
My name is Nida Hasanazizin.
So we are going to discuss the topic to raise. Should we raise our civil servants' salary or not? Nida, maybe you want to give your argument first.
Okay, in my opinion, giving high salaries or raising the salaries officials can create greater social inequality. When officials receive salaries much higher than the average population, this can create social instability. Although giving high salary can reduce incentives for corruption, there is no guarantee that corrupt practice will be significantly reduced because corruption is often related to power, not just a matter of salary.
Okay, I am disagree with you because some works have to balance with the salary they have. So because the civil servant works is almost 24 hours a day, they have to work every day, even in the weekend. I think the salary must be significantly higher than most of our normal job, like daily job. Beside that, being giving a higher salary for our civil servant is actually can reducing corruption practice in our country. There's so many example in many others country like in uh, China. So people in China is will be sentenced to death if they are doing some corruption practice, but they have raised the salary, so it is a big compensation, and no one give a corruption there because one of the point is the raising of their salary, so they feel occupied. So that's why I think raising the salary is important. Beside, maybe most of our civil servant has enough actually. And by saying civil servants, I don't talk about. I'm not only talking about the parliament government like Dewan Perwakilan Rakyat or something like that. I know that their salary is actually high, is very high. Uh, if we compare it to other job, but there's other position in civil servants like being teacher, being social medical like in the monitor areas. It is likely to have small salary. So I think raising our salary is most important. What do you think about it?
But I disagree with your opinion because giving a high salary to official will not automatically reduce the level of corruption. In fact, research has shown that factors such as transparency, strong law enforcement, and strict supervision are much more effective in fighting corruption than simply raising the salaries. Not always raising salaries is a solution to reduce corruption.
You have some point, but beside, if someone have satisfaction on what they're doing, they will be more motivated, they will be more integrated, they will be more being totally in their job. So when people being paid, what is it you call it? Uh, Paying well, they get paid well, I think they're going to be more integrity because I personally think some position have inappropriate salary, like some position should be paid higher because of what they're doing, because what paid job, uh, like some people on the village, their salary is so low. I think it's like lower than manufacturer employee. So that's why I think some some position need to be raised the salary, while some maybe have to keep on their salary, or maybe cut some their salaries.
But giving high salaries to officials can spend a financial resource that can be used for more important purposes like education and health. As we know that some officials work not according to their responsibilities, like there are several TBR which went viral on social media several years ago. They even sleep when they are in a meeting and is not responsible for what is entrusted.
I am not agree with that. It's not about their salary. It's because they're moral. I think the one who can be blamed about this is actually how they get to this ego, how our parliament becomes so egoistic. It's not about the salary. I think the salary is normal actually, and by increasing the salary, some of the case has already show the plot. Some, if we raise our salary to the civil servant, it will attract more talent. More talented people will be interested in to become our civil servant, not like some people that doing corruption. So that's why uh, corruption is not because the salary. Increasing our salary can be improved, but uh, the moral of the people that should be better than this. Besides, increasing salary can reducing financial pressure. So low salaries often create financial pressure on employees, making them more susceptible to corruption. That's why corruption is happen, because I think most of the position have low salary. If we know some of the low position civil servant that they have like luxurious living, I think that's from corruption, because I know that the civil servant's salary is not that high, but their salary is actually conducted to their what is it? Their old age when they're retired. So the money is being going to be retired fund. So it's actually the salary is quite low, and beside the increasing increasing the economic level, the raising salary can enhance monitoring and accountability, because governments can justify and afford better system for monitoring and accountability for their civil servant. Regular inspection and rigorous enforcement of anti-corruption laws become more visible when employees are well paid.
In my opinion, that no matter how high the salary is priced, if a person has committed corruption and is not known by others or the law is enforced not optimally, then he will continue to commit acts of corruption and will never be satisfied with what he gets. And high salaries do not necessarily make our officials not corrupt. In fact, it can be more greedy with high salary.
I still didn't agree with you because by addressing the financial and the ethical dimension of corruption through the competitive salaries, government can actually make creating the better law that can monitoring what the civil servants do. Governments can create more transparent, more accountable, and more efficient public service, and this will ultimately benefit society by ensuring that public resources are used appropriately and that citizens receive fair and effective service because the civil servant is feeling paid well, so they must be giving more service than appropriate to people. I think that's it. Thank you very much from me and Nida. Bye bye.